simple pendulum is a great way to explore conservation of energy as well as transfer of energy. So energy cannot ever be created or destroyed. It's constant in the universe. So in order for a thing to gain or lose energy, it has to come from somewhere else or go to somewhere else. So right now, I'm taking chemical energy stored in my muscles and I'm transferring it to this pendulum when I pull it up. So it's being stored in here now as potential energy. When I let go, that potential energy turns into kinetic energy, so the energy of a moving object. So here we're seeing some of that transfer. Now, as this pendulum is bouncing back and forth, it's hitting the air molecules around us. So it's actually losing some of that energy as it's pushing those air molecules around. So that energy is being transferred to those air molecules. We can see that in that when I hold it up here and then let go, it doesn't ever go past the point where I let it go initially. It's only slowing down. It's only losing that energy. A way that you can add energy onto it is from yourself. So if I let it go and it swings towards me, we can see that the addition of the energy means more kinetic energy in this particular pendulum. I encourage you to try this out using whatever materials you have at home. If you want to share your experiments, please use the hashtag #ShowUsYourScience, and you can tag ScienceWorldCA in it as well. Thanks!